Okay, if you have the error code F is in Frank, on your electric blanket control panel, I'm here to help you fix that. That usually means a faulty connection with the electricity, and it's usually due to the cord connecting to the blanket itself. So remove it and then make sure it's firmly connected really well, and see if that will remove the error. Go ahead and turn it off, turn it back on, see if that will work. If that doesn't, next thing you do is just to do a soft reset. Again, it's something with a power supply, but go ahead and unplug it from the wall and remove it from the wall for a good 30 minutes. That'll do a soft reset on the electric blanket. Plug it back in and see if it works. Make sure that your cord's not connected to like an extension cord or something like that. Try a different outlet. Actually put it in the other outlet. But that right there should fix the issue because it's nothing too major. All right, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Put in the comment section what model electric blanket you have. Do you have a Sunbeam? Do you have a Canon? Do you have a GE? All right, thanks again.